Do you have a probate property where the tenant has stopped paying rent? If so, stick around and watch this video. I'm going to explain how we navigated a 4-month eviction process while maximizing the value for this property. Our administrator came into possession of this property from his brother, the decedent, and the property had a long-term tenant. Unfortunately, when the tenant found out that the owner had passed away, she decided to stop paying rent altogether. This put her client in a very difficult position. He had inherited a property with no rental income coming in and a tenant who refused to pay. But the situation got even more complicated. Because there was no rental income coming in, the mortgage payments weren't being made. The mortgage company filed a notice of default and ultimately moved to a notice of trustee sale. Our client was now facing the real threat of losing the property to foreclosure. The administrator reached out to us for help, and we immediately got to work on multiple fronts. First, we connected him with an eviction attorney. Through consultation with the attorney, we determined the best way to start the eviction process was serve a 3-day notice to pay rent or quit. When the tenant didn't comply, we proceeded with the formal eviction. The entire process took approximately 4 months from start to finish, and we finally had the lockout completed in March. While we were handling the eviction, we also had to address the foreclosure threat. Fortunately, the remaining mortgage balance was relatively small. Our client was able to obtain a small loan and pay off the mortgage entirely by doing so. He saved the property from foreclosure and protected equity in the estate. Once we had the property vacant and the foreclosure threat eliminated, we faced an important strategic decision. Do we sell the property completely as is, in its current condition, or do we invest in some repairs to maximize the sell price? We ran the numbers and consulted with our client about the best approach. We decided that strategic repairs made sense. We kept it simple and focused. New paint throughout, new carpet, and a thorough deep clean. The total investment was around $9,000. The results speak for themselves. We went on the market and sold the property for $429,000. Had we just sold it as is right after the eviction without any improvements, we estimate we would have sold for around $385,000. That's a difference of $44,000. That's a $44,000 difference for a $9,000 investment. Absolutely worth it for our client. This case demonstrates the importance of not just handling legal complexities of probate like navigating tenant and evictions and foreclosure prevention, but also making smart strategic decisions about property preparation that maximize what the estate receives. Every probate situation is unique, and having experienced guidance through both the legal process and the sales strategy can make a significant financial difference. If you're looking for an experienced team for your probate property in Southern California, call us at the number below.